There are more things to splash screens than just activities. In order to make them stay active for exactly the time an app needs for startup, we need to start a small piece of code before the rest. We create a new, empty project. We modify the manifest file by moving the startup activity to the splash, while the main activity becomes a secondary role. We create the splash activity without a layout. We remove the onCreate event and create an onResume event instead. This event is fired when the screen views. If the application is very small, it may be necessary to delay the splash for a short amount of time. After the delay has elapsed, and the application has loaded the main activities and resources into memory, we can proceed to view the main activity. The code avoids animation, although not all animations are excluded. Finally, we close the splash, in order to avoid back button and other issues. This feature also can be set in the manifest file. In order to view the splash, we also need to create a style. The style contains nothing but an opaque background panel. The image is defined within the splash XML, which we create in this folder. For simplicity, we just create a new image. Since it needs to fit all devices, we size it to 240 to 240 pixels. The background color defines the whole splash. Let's see what we get so far. It may be necessary to tweak the delay a bit, because the splash is viewed correctly. It should not exceed 5 seconds though. For large applications, it can, and should be removed completely. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.